we're gonna do a bold red eyeshadow with this beautiful Glowbloom liquid eyeshadow and a little glossy lip with this guy. I already put a little bit of concealer under my eyes, but since it's red, I'm gonna put concealer on top of my eyes so it doesn't stain my eyelid, because red can stain your eyelid. I like starting with like a transitions shade, and I like doing a little bit under the eye. I feel like it pulls the entire makeup look together. And you're gonna wanna do like swirling motions. And then take my concealer and I actually just blend a little bit. Look how beautiful that is. I'm just gonna take this on the back of my hand and then just dot this. And especially with ones that have like a little bit of glitter, I like going a little higher up. It looks so crazy on camera, but it does not look as crazy in real life, I promise. And then I like pulling that under the eye too. I love how easy it blends too. And then we're gonna take this pretty guy right here, the Palladio Watermelon lip gloss, and then I'm gonna finish the mascara off camera because it looks so silly being applied on camera. I'll be right back. And then I'm just gonna add a little bit of shimmer in the inner corner. You always need a little bit of shimmer. There's a cute little makeup look with these cuties.